Would you like a better job? Would you like a career and an opportunity to learn? Would you like to work with a group of people that is making a difference in industry in the United States today? Ash Industries has been growing at an incredible rate. We need some other people to join us to help push the company even further ahead. Come join Ash Industries. Ash Industries is looking for a molding manager. Somebody who absolutely understands the ins and outs of molding perfect parts every time. Somebody who can make the most of the materials and the equipment and bring them together in a cohesive bond that manufactures the best components we could ever possibly hope to deliver from Ash Industries. You may be that person, and we'd like to talk to you.
We're looking for someone who is self-motivated, creative, and energetic, who can think out of the box, can take a project and understand the full scope and run with it.
Ash Industries is a 30-year-old company. We've been manufacturing parts for people all over the United States, Canada, and some in the Far East. It's been absolutely fantastic. We have 5 manufacturing groups. We have thermoplastic injection molding. We have a silicone molding group. We have a metal injection molding group, a 7-axis Swiss lathe group, and a rotational molding group. In addition, we have engineering and tooling to service all of our manufacturing groups, and we do it all right here in Lafayette, Louisiana. Ash Industries is an open book company. That means there's nothing hidden. We share our books, we share our profit. We give you vacation time and a good bit of it, but in addition to that, if you don't use it, we pay you for it. Ash has matching retirement. Ash has a fantastic medical plan and disability plan above and beyond workman's comp. Ash Industries is a great place to work, and people stay here a long time. We'd love for you to join us. 30 years ago, I started the company by myself. And now we have 60 to 70 people working together to make manufacturing happen in the United States.
And I've been working with Ash Industries for 5 years.
For 7 years.
Almost a year. For 6 years now.
Over 17 years.
I like the people and the work environment.
I love the variety of jobs I get to do.
It's kind of like a small family around here, so it's nice to come and spend my day with most of the guys in the tool shop.
The on-the-job learning I get to do as well. I learn from master tool makers, engineers.
We need somebody who can work independently. The truth is that everybody here has a job, and we don't have enough people to micromanage your work. We all work hard, from the guy that's on the shipping dock to the person running machines to the person in the office. Nobody is sitting around idle.
With each new day, we're given a new task, and with each task, we're given a new piece of area to grow in.
We're in Louisiana, sportsman's paradise. Today's Friday, and we have people who left here to go hunting, to go fishing, people who are going biking, and this is a fun place to be. And Lafayette is one of the fastest growing cities in America. It was named just a few years ago the happiest city in America. So if you're looking for a fast-paced company with a lot going on, a wide variety of activities, and a chance to hone your skills and work with some pretty neat people and neat equipment, give us a call. We'd love to talk with you.